Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to answer the question, why is your Nothing Headphone 1 keep disconnecting? The issue might be in your battery. Try charging your headphones up to 100% and check if your headphone still does disconnect. If it does, you have to do our hard reset. To do a hard reset, you have to find the Bluetooth button on the headphones, which is over here, and you have to hold it for 10 seconds. The LED light should blink red 3 times. It should help you, and if it doesn't help you, you have to contact device support. It's because your device may be broken. That's it, how it helps you, and goodbye, have a nice day.